Struggling to install Windows 11 because your USB isn't bootable? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the official Microsoft method to create a 100% working bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. Fast, safe, and error-free. Don't waste your time starting the installation and then running into problems. Before creating a bootable USB for Windows 11, make sure you have these three things ready. A working internet connection. We'll need this to download Windows 11. A USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of free space. Bigger is even better. A computer with a 64-bit processor, because Windows 11 doesn't run on 32-bit systems. Once you've got all this, you're good to go without facing any compatibility issues during installation. Once you've got everything ready for creating your Windows 11 bootable USB, the next step is super simple. Step 1. Head over to the official Microsoft download page. Scroll down to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and click Download Now. This is Microsoft's own media creation tool. No viruses, no third-party risk. Once the tool's downloaded, just open it. First, accept the license agreement. Now you'll see an option called Use the recommended settings for this PC. If you uncheck this box, you can select your own language in Windows Edition. But if you're fine with the default settings, just leave it as it is and click Next. Now plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it's at least 8 gigabytes. Select USB flash drive in the Media Creation tool and choose your connected drive from the list. Now before we move ahead, let's make sure you've selected the correct USB drive. This is very important to avoid losing data from another drive. To check, open this PC on your computer and look at the name or label of your USB drive. Now compare it with the one shown in the tool. For example, in my case, I named my USB as 64 gigabyte USB, and you can see the same name here. That means it's the correct drive. The tool will now download Windows 11 directly from Microsoft servers. Once the download is complete, it will automatically create your bootable USB. This may take a while depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once it says your USB drive is ready, you're done. Now restart your PC, enter BIOS, and set the USB as your boot device. You can now install Windows 11 like a pro, the official way, with zero errors. And that's it. You've successfully created a Windows 11 bootable USB using Microsoft's official method. If this guide saved you time, smash that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to Technical Junaid for more quick tutorials.